The infotainment controls allow you to easily control the navigation and media functions of your Genesis. The power and volume wheel button turns the AV system off when you press it briefly. Press and hold the button to turn the display on or off, and turn the wheel up or down to control the system volume. The Tune button tunes AM and FM stations up or down by one step each time you turn it. It tunes to different Sirius XM stations when you turn it. And when in USB or Sounds of Nature mode, it scrolls through different files when you turn it. Pressing it once will select and play that file. The back button will move you to the previous screen when you press it briefly. Pressing and holding it will take you to the home screen. The home button will take you to the home screen when you press it briefly. Pressing and holding it will take you to the map screen. The menu button will display a pop-up menu for that media mode when pressed briefly. When it is pressed and held on the map screen, the split screen feature on the map screen will disappear. The Multimedia Controller can be used to switch between and select menus. Rotate the controller left or right to switch between menus. You can also swipe up, down, left, or right on the touchpad to navigate within menus. Press the controller to select the menu or item within the menu. Tilt the controller up, down, left, or right to focus the menu on certain screens. On the map screen, this moves the map center. The Scribe feature on the controller allows you to input letters, numbers, or gestures, which can then be transferred on the screen. With this, you can enter addresses, names, or phone numbers. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel and mygenesis.com.